Hello, everybody. The roller coaster of crypto and Bitcoin's ETF have absolutely been shaking us from the floor up. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, the price action, what's going on here, and Solana as well. So don't miss a beat. Subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what you think, what the price action is, and what we can expect within the next couple of days. If you haven't already, do support the channel and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with your latest news, opinion, and, well, analysis. So Bitcoin's trading right now at 43,098 bucks. It's not where we thought it would be, especially after the ETF approval, but, well, according to the charts, it's kind of giving us why. We are still technically in an uptrend with Bitcoin. The volume's actually dropped now to around 23 million, point 60. We are still over the 200 EMA, but we're working very hard at getting back at that, it looks like. Now, our resistance that we had before in the previous videos and our support level, well, it came up. It looks like we broke past the resistance level, but we retested and actually fell through, touching the trend line, which is very, very dangerous. Now, given what the next couple of candles will do, so beating that I'm on the daily time frame, depending on what tomorrow, the day after, we'll have to see what we can expect from there. Now, it can continue to drop, and if it drops past the trend line and starts touching support, especially if it falls below support, I think it's safe to say that we've entered into the bear market with Bitcoin, which would be really, truly tragic simply just because, well, the ETF approval was, everybody was expecting it, 150,000. Even Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, had even said that, he's thinking 150,000. But we still have the Bitcoin halving also coming up before too long, so hopefully we'll push it back up. But we do need to kind of bounce off this in the next the next two daily time frames, and kind of see back here. Now we can see some push at 44,000, but only then can we really tell. The other day we did max out when there was the fake news around 48,000, but I think a lot of this is the selling pressure, the stop losses that are coming through. A lot of people are leaving the market. They're expecting it to drop further, and it's driving it further down. That's my speculation on why the action's happening right this second. But we'll just have to see within the next couple of time frames. You can't call it right now. Even the last 4 hours, for example, if you look throughout the this just drop right here, right? Not too good. Even let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The last several hours is just slowly working its way down. So nothing good with the last like 12 hours. So we need to tell there's nothing to really be able to kind of go off more basic, more kind of simple than that. We need to see what the price action is going to be now. If you are not in the market for Bitcoin, then you can be paying attention right now, especially as we're kind of moving in towards this apex, to see where you can enter the market or if you should stay away from the market right now. If you're already there, of course, depending on where you entered that market at, hopefully you didn't enter in high and low. And I think if you did enter high here, stay there. It should eventually go there. That's what I'm going to do. I've already entered the market at a lower point, but I will stay in the market. Now of course, I try not to buy in this kind of price action moving up, this upward trend. I try to buy more right here as it's going up, as I see the signal kind of coming in, but no, actually about right here is where I bought. But that's because I already had the confirmation of an upward trend. Here is quite the opposite. Once we had this candle here, this candle right here specifically is what I meant. Okay, let's take a look at Solana at this point. Solana is absolutely being destroyed, and it's around 92 right now. Ah, it's horrible. No, it's also into the bear market right now, and, well, what can I say? This it started to try to work with a resistance level. Of course, we're kind of like trying to maintain that as much as possible, but right now it's just dropping further and further more. Even the 4 hour time frame, also just kind of, ooh, you can see that it was starting to do it, but it's just losing momentum massively. And honestly, there is such, what, 33 million? Yeah, 37 around this area in the volume. So it's not too good right now. We'll just have to watch. I mean, you can see with our trend line that where it's kind of just going down. Hopefully, we'll start working back up. We need to see some major candles. There's just not enough buying pressure at all. The bears have actually taken over for Solana. Hopefully, it will go back up soon, but only time will tell in this situation. The market in total, Bitcoin fell 6.6%. Ethereum did start to fall at 1.8. Solana 7, DOT 6.7, Matic 5.3, Cardano 5.5, and even Atom at 7.6, and BCH at 9.6. The only one performing okay today, the only ones is TIA at 6.9, Ethereum Classic 1.6, and TRX at 1%. OP 3.1. Those are the only ones right now that are really kind of doing really well, doing okay, and Arbitrum is at 0.7%. So it fell at minus 7.7. So hopefully we'll be able to see something really happen in the next couple of days and hours, but only time will tell. But if we look at the market, like at the market week, fantastic with Ethereum at 13%. Um, and of course, this was the market cap, but weekly, I mean, Ethereum, you can see the week was good. The month, yeah, for some it was great, some it was not. But the year, of course, a much better year with Solana at 300%. Um, so you get the idea, right? All right, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. I will see you next time. And happy trading, and let's keep an eye on them, okay?